everyone, welcome back to the vlog. We're back here in Clark Speedway and it is Mazda Day. That's why I'm wearing my Mazda shirt. We are here now with the FD RX7 and we actually are going to have about 120 Miatas today. So right now we have some Mazda Miatas parking. Every generation is here. Steven is here. According to Steven, there's about 500 confirmed guests today and this is the main event. We're gonna make some noise. Hopefully the coolant line holds up. Oh my god. We're also gonna take this out later for parade lap, our endurance car. And we just gotta clear some cars here so that we can bring this baby out. We also have my friend Mark's old Miata here, but this is also the other highlight. The parade lap for the Miatas will be started off and kicked off and led by yours truly and this car. We are spilling coolant everywhere. What's happening is the flange bolt that we built basically is warping, so we're gonna have to put gasket sealer here. Marvin's just gonna suck out whatever coolant he can get left. Good morning, Steven.
Good morning.
Are you feeling anxious?
I'm feeling a bit stressed and anxious, yeah. Full anxiety. And you know what? Angie says it's gonna rain.
No, it feels sticky, but it's not gonna rain yet.
Yeah, it's not gonna rain.
But I think, whatever happens, you're gonna have a lot of big turnout, right?
Yeah, it's fine. People say that, okay, what's the backup plan, Steven? If it rains, I said, raincoat,
umbrella,
flip-flops, umbrella, that's it. It's a car. We are waterproof anyway.
Yes.
We have about 180 Miata confirmed.
180
maybe
Miata.
we'll reach
Beautiful.
that. And we have others coming. Maybe we'll come to about 300 cars today.
Wow. Okay, it's
Maybe
gonna be
500 people. Right?
jam-packed today. Okay, we're in the Spec Miata cold start. Nope. Take two, cold start. And we're practicing this rodeo move. So, come out, step on the side sill. And then move forward. Morning. This morning stupidity. I think one thing is for sure, this thing drinks so much fuel. She's thirsty, really thirsty, and we're topping up the fuel now. I have 30 minutes before we get on track. The boys from Mazda are putting in some cameras. 10 minutes. I'm gonna put some coolant and some distilled water. But we're gonna basically drain all this out when we get a new radiator.
Mazda RX7s, not just
a sneak peek of Angie Mead's RX7 exhibition.
Just got back. Who needs coffee when you have a 4-rotor? Showtime. Everyone was happy. We stayed in the main straight so that everyone can hear the car. It's kind of useless for me to go to the back, so we made sure to do donuts and burnouts right at the main straight so that everyone by the fence could see the car, and it performed flawlessly. The air suspension handled well. The car is still leaking just a little. We do need to do that modification, but for what I'm doing now, it's perfect. It doesn't matter. It actually works well. And I cooled down when we were at 104 degrees Celsius, and then when I came back it was 100 already. So one cool down lap was able to bring the temps down, so that's good. I'm glad everyone enjoyed. I truly enjoyed doing that also. It's such an amazing car. I miss drifting completely because of this car. And props to the team at Classic Speed. Marvin and the team did an amazing job. It's day 3 and we're getting such good feedback already on this car. Okay guys, PIAA is sponsoring me with some wiper blades. Now wiper blades are very important, especially if it's raining, and PIAA makes these awesome wiper blades. They're silicone coated, so it means it's gonna last 2 times longer than your regular wiper blade, even though the price is higher. Basically you don't have to change it for much longer than the standard wiper blade, and they put some on the Miata as well, and we're now putting some on the FD RX7. We are sneaking out to lunch because sadly the racetrack has no food for me. Literally 0 vegetables in this area, so we're gonna go out. Driver, the president himself, driving us for lunch. We're in the brand new CX-90. Look, looks like suede Alcantara feels.
Yes.
Get our cars to park together. The other FD here, along with Goldwyn's FD in the back. Look at this FD lineup. We have an RX8. That looks amazing too. I love the RE Mamiya kit. Group photo is getting better and better. Guys, we're getting ready to go out. I'll see you guys later. One car to the next. Lead car. We have a lineup of Mazdas behind us, and according to Steven, this is the most number of Mazda Miatas that we've gathered here at Clark Speedway. Let's do something silly while they're waiting for other cars. I'll do the rodeo. Let's see if we can get it. really hard to reach. I could barely touch it, and I'm hitting the steering wheel at the same time, so I can't really counter steer, so it's just a tight donut. But nonetheless, giving everyone a good show, and then going around the safety car because the waiting time is so long, so just to entertain the fans on top and give everyone a show, right? This is the Mazda Day, and we have one of the best Mazda endurance cars on the country, so glad to be part of this event. Look at that! The Mazda baby. We're leading the pack, following the safety car. Leading the parade. I gotta drive home tonight. Hope the traffic's not so bad, but what a day. Revving for the fans. There you go. Okay guys, sadly the day must come to an end. Gonna park the Mazda RX7. It's gonna go back to classic speed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Angie Mead came.
Thank you!
And of course,
We're back in the car. We're finally driving home. I am knackered and I left the event already. I want to thank Mazda and Stephen for letting me loose, letting me just do my thing and going crazy with no rules and just feeling both the RX7 and the endurance car. The endurance car needs a new clutch, but the RX7 just made it till the last minute. On the last lap, the shifter wouldn't engage anymore, the water temperatures weren't going down anymore, and I think I really just pushed it just that tad extra, and wow, I think I put on a good show. Hopefully we can grab some footage from the official Mazda people, but what a day. Thank you so much. I am truly grateful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Peace.